Alright, hello everybody, this is LukeMaster06 here, and welcome back to another stream. Shut up. Alright, and today we're going to be just working on Pokeball Clicker Tycoon, which is a clicker game that I'm working on, and that's all I gotta say. So, that's pretty much all we're doing. And so let's go and get this all started. So as you can see, this is what I have so far. Skip the title sequence here. Mute that. Let's click play. As you can see, we've got this here. And then if you click here, this I'm still working on. You open this up, you've got a shop here. This is how much money you currently have. And right here is how much money you're currently getting from the Pokeball you have. And that's pretty much all the gameplay is. The achievements don't exist yet. And yeah, you can also choose currency type for some reason. Don't know why I added that in. So as you can see, it changed up here, and I believe if you come in here, it changes as well. That's pretty much it so far. So what I want to work on today is saving and loading, at least for the beginning of the stream, because there is this one project that I saw on Scratch where it actually talks about that type of stuff. So let me see if I can find it. That's not what I want to do. Can't sell. Alright then. Let's just open up another Scratch tab here. Thanks to the 3 people watching the stream right now. It's not where I want to be. I want to go into here. And I believe it'll be in my favorite projects because it's cool. Yeah, here we are. This is what I wanted to look at. So I'm gonna follow this this instruction thing here. Alright, so I have made sprites, by the way. Let me import them real quick. Upload. Then if we go into downloads, I have them in here. I've got these. Let's input the save one, and that's gonna go right there. Yeah, here's our save button, and this needs to go to 0, 0, and it'll be put in the correct spot. And then we need to upload another sprite, the load button, and it needs to also go to 0, 0, and it just slots in like so. So we need to put that in there, load button. There we go. We'll do some code, like code for them later, but for now, let's just see what else this has to say. Now you have your buttons, going to scripts. We need a when sprite clicked for both of them. Well, isn't it for both of them? Yep, for both of them. Let's go into events when this sprite clicked, and load button when this sprite clicked. Alright. Now that we have that, what else? Right, click the orange tab in the scripts and click create a variable. Alright, we need to create a variable. Call it save code, I guess. There we are. So I'm guessing you have lots of different sprites with a lot of costumes, like my icon maker. So, alright. All I need, really, is the money let's do save dot money, I guess. Or no, we already have. We're gonna do a save dot pokeball, right? I think. save dot pokeball, sav dot pokeball, and let's create that, and then let's do sav dot I don't know. Let's do. I'm trying to think right now. Really, all we need is the Pokeball. At least right now, anyways. All we need is the Pokeball and the money. Or let's do score, as I like to put it, if I can spell. Save that score, I guess we can use. Now go into the brown tabs for both. This does make sense. We need a new message. This one will broadcast save. This one load. Pretty straightforward. And then drag a when I receive into each sprite with lots of costumes. Alright, so we then need to go to the Pokeball. Okay, so when I receive, here we have save. And honestly, here, I want to do something real quick. So if I go into the, where the heck are they? If I go here, I want to change this from save to, I don't know, data.save. So then, since all the messages are in alphabetical order, I can keep them right next to each other. So if I do data.load, and I'm pretty sure Scratch automatically removes any messages that aren't being used. Hello, by the way. Let's see here. Data.load, and then we need to go to the Pokeball. That's fair. And then. Alright then. Who else? Well, thank to the 3 people watch the stream right now. Hope you're all having a good day. And then. Alright, when I receive save, we need a set block. Set save dot Pokeball to costume number. Easy. Oh my. Oh geez.
Oh god.
Okay. Alright, broadcast save. Okay. I'll just do what they say, I suppose. And then we're gonna wait 0.1 seconds just to kind of give it a slight delay. I'm gonna make the delay even shorter. 0.01 seconds, and then we need to get a set block again. Set code, yeah, it's called save code, I believe. Yep. And then set that, and then show variable, save code. I'm gonna put the save code up here, I suppose. All right. Set it to, and then we need a join block. Oh boy. Oh, we need a good amount of join blocks. Actually, we don't need that many join blocks. We just need to join save.pokeball and save.score. Yeah, I might also make the codes little different as well, so then you can't just guess the codes. I could do like plus, you know, or I could, in the middle of it, I could join some other random variables as well. Join the save score. Ooh, we could also, I have this I have this one block, or this one variable called game time. Welcome Timeless Arcane to the stream, aka the guy talking to me. I have this one variable called game time, which is kind of like, it's like just a continuous clock that I can use for random events and stuff that I set up. I also want to add in another thing in there, like, oh, there's literally already a timer. I didn't even need to set up that. Well, days since 2000. Actually, no. Let's do the current day of the week. Day of the week is 3. It is technically. Just gotta make this as unique as possible, so then no one can guess the code, question mark. Even though since you're watching this, then... Okay, yeah, let's do the current year, and then I also want to throw in there, I don't know... we'll throw in there the current day of the week as well, just to make it even better. Or we'll throw that in there randomly, actually. Pick random. What does this do? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at how many random numbers we get. That's beautiful. Yes. Hold on. So I suppose the different save scores, like, the only thing that's really going to be different is the number in between. I suppose. Yeah, so, oh geez Louise. Okay, now that we've officially randomized the save code, well, randomize is a strong word, but in the load button, let's ask, enter a valid save code, I suppose. What's my name? Oh, yeah, that's a default thing. And then... Okay, jeez Louise, this is... let's see here, actually. Now, I'm starting to think, this is a little too random for my unique thing. What if we just do this? Instead, we put that at the end and we put that there. So then the only random number is at the end. Okay. That seems a little, I guess, easier to manage. How many followers do I have? It's a good question. Let me check real quick. I have 6. Why did you ask me? Ah, right here. Okay. Alright, that's something I need to do, actually, is I need to come up here and do some when I receive blocks. Right here. Data save. Data loc. Then I think set save dot score to money. Is that seriously what I call it? I did call it money. Okay. I'm just dumb. Let's see.
Another question.
Huh.
What color do you think fits?
What color do I think what is?
That fits.
I don't Let's see, what else should we be doing here? Oh, we need to go back to our good old load button. We need to set this to letter something. Letter 1 of answer. Alright. Now, I believe... Here, let me... How does this... Okay, Pokeball save... Current... Here, let me check something real quick. So it's saved up Pokeball as costume number. Then let me... this kind of hard when it's like this. Here we are. Okay, variable control. So it saves score to money. And so then, if we come into our save button here... Alright. Join 1... And then, what is current game time? Game time is 76. And then, money, 7D. Here, I'm going to switch these around. Let's do that. Okay, 170, 76. Let's see. Suppose we could do that as well. If we do...
I have an idea.
What?
I should stream Terraria.
Okay.
Join me?
Let's see here. I think that might work. And then we do the broadcast. And then add the script to each sprite that has lots of costumes. Okay, is that it? That is it. Okay, that shouldn't be too difficult to pull off. We just need to write some kind of code that, if it's a certain character, it should ignore. Alright, when I receive data load, then we're going to set money to save.score.
Yeah, I'm gonna be right back.
Okay. Let's see. If the letter... What I want to do is... I think what I'm going to do is... I'm going to add another join block. Join dash. Okay. So, I mean, I don't know why I'm taking this so seriously. It's a dumb game I'm working on. It's not like it's gonna matter that much. Let's see here. I need to go back to... I think I need to go back to here. No, I need to go to variable control with this mess. So if letter 1, or I guess letter 2 of save dot, I guess score, I don't know. Or hold on. Yeah, if letter 2 here, I have an idea. So if we come in here, let's save dot score to money, or let's do something like join money and a dash, I guess. Yeah, 70 dash. And so then if I come down here, I can remove that block and put that in there. And it still works. So I think we'll have this thing read until about 4, I guess. If letter 2 of apple equals dash, then we're gonna do we're gonna, I guess, I don't know. Ooh, hold on, I just saw a block that I could use. If save.score contains a dash, which it always should, by the way. It always should. I'm trying to think about this here because of the fact that that it can go up, you know. So I think what I want to do is, like, I want to add these dashes, you know, because these dashes I think can be used to help separate the code out, so it's like easier to, I guess, look for. Now I think if I come into load real quick, I'm only gonna do that, I guess, because, you know, let's do 4. Let's go 5 letters in, I suppose. So that means 4 of these things can be dedicated to you know, certain dedicated to the score. So if we go back up here, if save.score contains dash, then set minus the dash, I don't know. Save that score to save that score minus dash. And then set money. Set money to save.score. Do I have any clue what I'm doing? No, not at all. Alright, so here, I want to change money by 14. But now I want to set money back to 0. So it's like we're at a fresh save, you know, like we just started the game back up again. And now there's the save code. So then if we come over here, we click this. Actually, I need to set this to 3rd letter, then the 4th letter, then the 5th, and then the 6th, because we need to ignore the okay, it's set it to 7. Oh, here, I think I know what's going on here. So need to join. We just need a bunch of join blocks. Honestly, guys, I've never actually messed around with like the join blocks before. Thanks to the 3 people watching the stream so far. Hope you're all having a good day. I guess you're watching this. I'm gonna put that there. $6:14:08. And then something. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is reading all of that and setting it correctly. Except we need to figure out how to set the save score to something. You know, if save score contains that. Here, it was set to like 84 minus 7, I suppose is what you could say it as. No, I'm pretty sure if I make this a thing and we set it to that, then we set my save score, then, you know, the money's being read as that, so. What if we do something where, like, here, I have an idea. So, what if we did something like, so let's say we set money to 84 again. So if we set money to 84 again, and we set that to that, and we come up here, I want to get rid of that. So let's just do this. So let's set this to that. Let's set save to money, correct? And once we do that, then I want to set this as that, and that's the save code so far. And so then, what I want to do is, I think what I want to do is, I want to, like, do something where, like, here, I want to join, what I want to do is I want to, like, make it so that when it's writing out, it'll set the score part of our save code to, like, 0 and then our score. Or if there's only 1 digit, then 0, 0, and then the score. So let's use an if-else command. If, oh, here, perfect. If length of score, or if length of money, I'm gonna move all these down here. Alright, if length of money is smaller than 2, then we would set the save code here. I actually don't think I want to use an if-else. Let's just use a normal if statement. Then we'll add a couple different statements, like, you know, is smaller than 3. Or here, let's use equals to be a little more precise. So if it equals 1, now let's use an if it equals 2. We all get what I'm going for? So if length of money equals 1, then we set join, and then actually I think this is going to be the longest one here, so I'm going to join 0 0 and then save dot score. If this one right here, we would join just 0 and then save score. And then if it equals 3, then we don't have this 0 at all. We just choose save score. So let's test this out. So let's set money to 4. Set money to 4. Now let's set save score to money. And then let's run this. Let's run this. 00476. 76 is game time, I believe. Yes, okay. Now, what if we set money to our previous 84, which is a 2-digit number? Come up here, run that, come down here, and run that. Now it's 084. I don't know if we're getting somewhere, but I'm proud of myself. Alright, now, let's set money to, you know, maybe at some point we can make this a little easier, like it calculates what, you know, what number, like, the length is, and then it'll do some algorithmic thingamajigger. Let's set it to 729. And then we set that, and then we come down here and run this, and it's just 729 now. Okay. 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 Let's plug that in there. So this thing can only handle money up to... Here, let's make this thing handle money length up to 5. Okay. So we need 4 zeros here. I'm sure there's a much easier way to do this. I'm not a professional, though. I am just some guy. Alright. 2, 3... then we need the 2 here. 1, 2, and then there we go. And then we do 0, blam. Okay, so now the save code can handle money amounts up to the 5-digit numbers, which should be enough for this, I guess, demo that I'm working on. So let's now that we have that, we need to figure out how to join these things. So I want to ditch this for right now. Actually, what I want to do is I want to throw that out for now, and let's let's do this. So it's join. This is gonna be the tricky part. We need to join letter. Should be letter 2, I think. Letter 2 of answer, and then because of the fact that we're supporting up to 5 digits, it should go to letter 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So we stick that in there. Stick that in there. Stick that in there. And then we need a few more join blocks. Gonna join letter 5 of answer. This is what I like. If Scratch had a variant of spaghetti code, this is what it would look like. And so broadcast data load. And now that we've done that, let's set save score. Oh yeah, we need to enter an answer. Okay. Let's enter a valid code. So let's do 729 76 1173. All right. So as you can see, it read the game time as well. So we need to change that a little bit. Real quickly, I think I'm gonna run this code again real quick. So then the thing has a, I guess, so it has some up-to-date, I don't know, skills or I don't know. I don't know how to do commentary over something like this, okay? Thanks to 3 people still hanging on, and watching me just fail at programming. Let's see. So what we need to do is we need to make it so that somehow the code, like, ignores... Here. Let's set save score to money. Then when I receive data load, we need to set money, right? Set money to save score. Now I want to see what that does. Here, and then I want to run this through our algorithmicum, and then, jeez Louise, okay. Let's click this, and then, hold on, our save code is not in the most convenient spot. Let's put it right there. Let's enter a valid save code. 100729 76, that's the game time, and then 65, that's some random number that the computer came up with. Then it sets it to 729. Now, I want to see what happens. It sets it back to 730. For right now, that's actually pretty good. Alright. Something I want to do now is I want to set up the save and loads, like, showing time, I suppose. When I receive data load, I want it to... Here, let's see. I think we already have something that shows it, right? No, wait. Save button shows... Okay, it shows the variable. And I think I want to put the variable, I suppose, right there. I think that's an okay place for it, because it has a bunch of room to stretch out if the numbers get really big. So I think what I want to do is, now we need to create some code that tells it to, you know, do certain things. So this is simple code. I do this code a lot, so I should know what I'm doing here. Let's see. Is this... No, this isn't, like, in front or anything. So, when I receive... let's see. When I receive load play screen, right? When I receive load play screen show... I'm gonna kind of copy this code here. Except for that, of course. When I receive load... Okay, yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, like, grab the code here. There we go. Now it's in my backpack. Backpack. Okay. Let's put it in and hope it works. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is indeed correct. So, once again, I'm sure there's a much easier way to do this, but for now, I want to just keep it the way it is because I don't want to go through that again. If anyone clicks up to the 6 figures, then you might as well just get carpal tunnel, buddy. I think we'll be fine with our current code. All right. And I think what I want to do is, I don't know. Here, let's add some, I guess. Here, let's do a broadcast. Let's broadcast a message about data.save code timer. And so this is kind of a way, like, I don't want the save code there to be there for the rest of the gameplay, you know. So what I want to do is I want to make a few of these. I think I'm going to need about 4 or 5, sorry. Then we just attach them to the end of all of these. Alright. There we go. Here we are. I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds. Let's give the player 8 seconds before the code disappears. You know? Save code. And then I want to do another block here that also, when it receives the exact same thing, it'll say, the save button will say, I don't know. I guess I'll make that show up for 3 of the 8 seconds. Let's drag that over. Like that. So I'm gonna save this right now, just in case anything flipping dies. Now, yeah, okay, let's just start this up real quick. Just kind of get the whole thing rolling. Let's see. Here's our big, I guess, list of, I don't know, like the main block. So I want to hide save code. We want to hide save code. So when it starts, there is no save code to be seen. Let's save that. And let's get some progress in the game. How about that? Actually, now that I think about it, yeah, this is all good. I need to set, where is it? Costume number. Or no, wait. Switch costume. This be it. Switch costume to save.pokeball. I believe is all we really need to do. And Let's see. I think that's really the only thing I need to do because the variable... Yeah, all this should be good. So I'm going to save this real quick. Then in my opinion, this is what I call an update. So I'm going to hover over that. By the way, to anyone wondering, the music in the background is Minecraft Volume Beta and Volume Alpha by C418. Check them out, c418.org. No, I'm not sponsored by C418. I just thought I'd mention it. Go support the guy. He does a lot. He deserves it. Not only is his Minecraft music good, but all of his music's pretty good. Alright, let's try this out. I'm going to skip the title using a special hotkey that I added. Gonna press V because for some reason the volume is weird. Gonna go into here, realize I haven't added achievements yet. I'm gonna click play. I'm sorry. Did I miss something? Oh, I think I missed a block actually. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I missed the main one. Ah, man, I'm stupid. Okay, thumbnail. Project saved. Skip that. And to anyone wondering, no, this project is not out to play yet. I am still heavily working on it. Alright, here's our save button. Alright, here's our save code. Honestly, I need to get progress quickly. So let's get some progress. I believe if I press up, I can see game time. That's another little debug thing. And if I press down, it is hidden. So here I can see game time and see just how long the game's been going for. Or at least how long it kind of is going for. So there's some okay progress. I'm sorry. When I receive... Okay, when this sprite is clicked, we load hub. Oh, I see now. So what I need to do is I need to click... If I get load hub, then it needs to be hidden. Because I am of the dumb. So now if we come in here, we go back. Ah, it's beautiful. Okay. Let's go in here and let's buy that. Another fun fact about this game is that technically, once you get $100, you could really play the entire game from the shop menus because I added a feature where you can actually play, like you can click on these Pokeballs that you bought in the shop. So if we come out here, and we just click on them for a little bit. Now, everyone get ready. Ready to screen cap this or something. I'm actually gonna grab a pen, so I can already guess some of the I guess I can guess some of the parts of the code. So it's gonna be 2-00147. Alright, 160.1821.00. Okay, I've gotten the save code down. And I suppose I could just click the save thing again. Okay, so now let's boot it up again. Let's skip. Let's press V a few times. Let's just change to Japanese yen, I suppose. Then let's click load and let's enter a valid save code. So 200.147. 160. 1821. All right, everyone, cross your fingers. Oh, it worked. The thing that hasn't worked though, that I still need to fix, is this. But I will get to that. We technically have a kind of functioning save and load feature. And yes, at some point, actually, I kind of wanna come into here. Like if I come down here, and I go into save real quick. Join save.score. I want to add another SAV, and I want it to be the time. Honestly, I think I'll work on that later, actually. The game time is just there for a little more randomization. But technically, we have gotten a save code thing working. Yay. By the way, if anyone wants to join the Discord, then I'll go ahead and put it in the thing in a little bit. But for right now, I'm gonna hang out and stream VC. Let's do invite people, and let's edit expires never, no limit. This has absolutely nothing to do with Scratch. I just want to provide it to you people. Come on. Okay. I'm hiding that just in case. I don't know. Honestly, don't know what would appear. Actually, I already have the Discord link, so I don't know. The Discord link will be down. I guess if you scroll down on Twitch, there's this little... Here, if I show you real quick. If you're here on Twitch, you scroll down. Discord. Join the Discord if you want, I suppose. This is awesome. This is pretty cool. There we go. What is this person's name? 5 underscore underscore? That is 2 underscores, yes. Gonna do that. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, and I'm back. Now, I know this was a bit of a short stream, but I do have to, say that, I'm gonna have to, leave. Leave right now. So, yeah, however, before I do leave, I want to set up something. And I'm setting this up for a reason. This is something I've worked on, yes. docs.google.com/forum. Now, if I open this up, the first 2 things you're gonna see are DoroOS stuff. But I don't know what could I call this? I don't know. what could I call it? When a copy, I don't know, enter your email and username below to have a chance at I suppose. We'll do that. Let's come up here. And let's give it a, I guess, different theme. That's pretty cool. And that's pretty much all I've got. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I'm gonna shorten the URL, copy the link, and real quickly, I'm gonna show the link on stream. There, copy it again. Look at that link. We all looking? Okay. So, in my Discord, I'm gonna be sending that link into the Discord and sign up. I guess it'll be running until I guess noon tomorrow. Let's going until 12 p.m. CST on Wednesday. I can't spell. All right, there you go. That's all I gotta say, and I've got to end the stream. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to I guess follow. I don't know if I have subscriptions activated because I'm not one of the cool guys, but follow. Oh, I can't follow myself. And that's about all I gotta say, I guess. So thanks for tuning in, and I might do another one of these at some point. And that's all I gotta say. Have a good day. I'm gonna click this button now.